Hello and welcome to Craftiosity, where creativity comes to you with modern craft kits delivered to your door. This month you'll use soft cotton yarn, a golden hoop, wooden beads and laser cut wooden pieces to create a sun-inspired macramé wall hanging. Inside your kit you'll find your wooden beads and needle, your laser cut pieces, 2 balls of yarn and your golden hoop. You'll also find your step-by-step photo instructions and a little something for your pinboard. First, cut the lengths of cotton yarn for your hanging. You'll need 8 pieces that are each 120 centimetres. You also need 44 pieces that are each 80 centimetres. Keep the 2 different lengths separate so you don't get them confused. Take one of the longer yarn cords and attach it to the top of the metal ring using a lark's head knot. To do this, fold the cord in half and pass the folded part under the ring and bring it over the top. Pull the length of the cord through the folded part and then tighten it up. This is your lark's head knot. Bring one half of the cord you just attached straight down and under the bottom of the metal ring. Then loop it around the metal ring, bring the cord around from the front to the back on the left hand side so it wraps around the ring. Hold the yarn taut. Finally, bring it around again, this time from the front over to the back, creating a loop of cord under the ring and pass the end through this knot. Pull it tight to secure. This is your clove hitch knot. Now attach 3 of the shorter cords to the bottom of the ring using lark's head knots, positioning them to the left of the piece of cord you just knotted on. Then take the other half of the longer cord you joined to the top of the ring and bring it down to the bottom on the left hand side of the 3 new knots, knotting it onto the ring with another clove hitch knot. You should be working to the left of the cords you just joined with the lark's head knots. Add 3 more short pieces of yarn to the left of the last knot using lark's head knots. Repeat the previous step, adding cords on the left hand side until you have 4 long pieces of cord joined, creating 8 individual cords, with 3 short pieces of cord at the bottom between each side of the longer cord. You will end with a piece of long cord at the edge. This is 1/2 of your hanging complete. At the bottom of your ring, attach 2 short pieces of cord to the right of the first long piece you attached with lark's head knots. You'll see why you attach 2 later. Then attach a long piece to the top of your ring. This time, always work to the right of the previous cords. Bring one side of the long piece down to the bottom of the ring and knot it as before. Next, attach 3 short pieces at the bottom with lark's head knots, again working to the right. Then attach the other side of the long piece down to the bottom and knot that on too. Repeat until you've used all the remaining cords. Cut 2 pieces of yarn cord that are 60 centimetres and attach one to the top of your ring using a lark's head knot. It should be right in the middle between the long cords numbers 4 and 5. Before you tighten it, cut a 30 centimetre piece of cord and thread it through the loop of your lark's head knot, then tighten the knot. With your shorter cord, the one you just placed through the lark's head knot, tie the ends together to create your hanging loop. Thread the ends of the longer cord that you attach to the top of the hoop through your needle and string on your chosen beads. You'll have a range of beads inside your box and they may vary from ours, so choose which you want to use and the order you'll place them for the top and bottom decorative strands. String these on, then unthread one of the cords from your needle. Sew through the top hole of the wooden semicircle shape from the front to the back and then come back through the bottom hole from the back to the front. The other strand should be behind your wooden piece. Where the two strands meet beneath the bottom hole, tie them together in a knot and don't trim the ends. Now make a tassel for the end of your decorative strand. Take a piece of card or cardboard and cut it so it's the height that you'd like your tassels to be. Wrap your cotton yarn around the cardboard. The more wraps you do, the thicker your tassel will be. We wrapped ours 20 times. Then cut through the wrapped cord so you have a bundle of pieces that are all the same length. Take the bundle of cords to your decorative strand and position it under the wooden semicircle. Knot the two pieces of cord from your decorative strand tightly under the centre of the bundle. Cut a 30cm piece of yarn and tie it around the bundle of cord a few times, about 2 cm away from the fold. You can hide the ends of this cord by running them into your tassel using your needle. Finally, trim your tassel if you wish. Repeat these steps to make a second decorative strand at the bottom of your wall hanging, this time using the diamond wooden shape. This decorative strand will be positioned between those two strands that you attached at the centre of the bottom of the hoop earlier. Finally, you can trim the bottom of your hanging if you like. We cut ours into a V shape, but you can cut straight across if you prefer. And well done, your sun-inspired wall hanging is complete. Thanks so much for watching. We hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial and we look forward to welcoming you to the next craft kit project next month.